So good morning, sir. I am Jaya Senas, base SM2C. We are the group 5. So our topic is global culture and media. My topic is cultures and oral communication. What is culture? Culture's unified style of human knowledge. So, kumingon tao unified, so ang mga tao pinagkaisa or nagka-unity. And diha nato makita ang mga tao na naa sila yung mga paniniwala or mga belief. So, muna siya yung gitawag og culture can be called the way of life for entire society. Naa sila yung mga values, language, belief, or behaviors. Diha nato makita ang mga tao, especially nato nga mga Pinoy, nga nagitay mga paniniwala, muna siya gitawag og cultures. And next is oral communication. Oral communication, diha nato makita ang mga tao kung paun sa makipag-communicate or makipag-istorya sa mga tao, especially and pinaka most important pag mag-explore the world ka for different country. And because dili na to masabtan ng may sila, diba? So dapat makipag-obserban ka ug unsa ilang magispang istorya or gipahayag para masabtan nimo sila. And muna siya ang gitawag og language. And thank you.
Okay, let's continue. By the way, my name is Kathleen Peacewarner. My topic for today is all about script and printing press. Ang script talks about isa siya sa mga weapon or invention na magunit nato through communication. Pareha giingon diri sa context and codifications, economic, cultural, religious, and etc. Ang context is nag-refer siya sa surroundings in a particular situations, and ang codifications is nag-refer siya to process of arranging laws or rules systematically. And an economics is nag-relate siya to the productions and consumptions and distributions of goods and services within a society. And then ang cultural is nag-pertain siya to the beliefs and customs and practices shared a group of people. And then the last is religious. Ang religious is nag-refer siya to the beliefs, rituals, and nag-relate po siya to spirituality or faith. And the other is printing press. Ang printing press is nagtagaan tag continuous production which gave everyone access to information. Ang example na ko ani is newspaper or dyaryo kay news, entertain, and etc. Tanan isa siya ka print or isa ka productions. And also printing press is a device that produce multiple copies of text by printing additional copies no longer needed to be copied by hand. That's all.
Good evening, sir. My name is Jonah Mitamot, and this is my about digital media. And digital media, which relies on digital codes, it can be created, modified, and strong in any digital economics and device. Digitalized, transmitted over the internet and computer network in politics, and candidates use this media to campaign and advance their platform economics. It allows the advertisement of products and online business transactions. Ang kaning digital media mo ni siya ginagamit para sa pag-promote sa ilang mga platforms. For example, in politics, sila through advertisement is ilang ipakita sa mga tao ang ilang mga pambuhaton or angay pang mga buhaton, like pwede sa business transactions. And then pwede po siya sa mga educational and learning, political influence, and pwede siya sa news, information sharing, business and economy o global communication, etc. Basta kay about siya sa digital media. Ang kaning media is a career of culture. It is a tool for interaction of the people with different culture. Ang media mo ni siya ginagamit through sa pag-interact sa mga different culture, sa mga tao, like pwede sila magkanang makasagap og mga news sa nagalaing-laing mga lugar sa inang hitabo through media. And that's all. Thank you.
So, good morning, sir. My name is Remark Emil Carte, and my topic is all about cultural differentialism. So, cultural differentialism is immutable as the West and non-Western civilization interact or are brought in contact through globalization, clash of civilizations such as that of this West and Islam logically follows. So it means nga cultural differentialism. So ang cultural differentialism is so lahi-lahi og cultural, lahi-lahi tag cultural sa West o sa non-Western civilization. So lahi-lahi tag mga practices sa usa ka society. So we all know na ang cultural differentialism is the belief that different cultures should be understood. Kinahanglan nga bisan pag different culture ta, lahi-lahi tag mga practices, lahi-lahi tag mga language, lahi-lahi tag mga pag-istorya, lahi-lahi tag mga greetings, naiuban nga mo greet mo handshake, naiuban mo bow, naiuban mo kiss sa aping. So bisan pag lahi-lahi tag mga cultural, so kinahanglan we should understand each other and appreciate in their own terms or word. Bisan pag unsa na sila makistorya, unsa na sila makihalubilo, kinahanglan mo respeto ta ba? Respect and understood to the other. So kinahanglan atong irespeto kung unsa man ang ilang mga belief, kaya aron walay mahitabong away, aron walay mahitabong away ba. Kay kung imo magusupakon ang ilang mga belief, magbarog po na sila kung sila nagtuo. Kung imo na silang awayon, walay kay usa sa mao ng cultural differentialism. So kinahanglan we should understand each other and respect kung unsa man na sila, kung unsa man ang ilang mga practices sa ilang society, kung unsa pud ang atong mga practices sa atong society. So kinahanglan we should understand both and respect each other. So mao na ang example kay ang handshake, mga language at mga istorya. So kinahanglan jud nga we should recognizing and respecting without judging. So kinahanglan dili ta mo judge sa usag-usa, dili ta mo judge kung bati ba na ilaha o dili. So kinahanglan dili ta mo judge, dili ta mo ingon nga higher ta sila ubos, dili ta mo ingon nga ubos ta sila higher. So kinahanglan patas ba, we should understand, we should recognizing o dili ta mo judge. So mo na ang cultural differentialism. Lahi man tag culture pero kinahanglan magsinabtanay ta atong sabto ng tag-usa karon peaceful lang atong dagan sa atong kinabuhi.
Good morning, sir. My name is GB Caballero. This is M2C. This is my report. Culture by hybridity suggests globalization, span and incorporating and going mixing in the culture. An example of this is the Chabacano in Spanish beside the credit language on Zamboanga City from same part of Cavite, which experiments hybridity in language pretend by the merging of two cultures that trade this bring to a new culture from not only the language but also food, fashion, art, music, among the other. Ang culture and hybridity kaya nagkuha na sila mga culture, mga music, arts, and fashion, mga salina, mga music, o mga foods, mga Spanish foods, nagkuha ng mga mga Spanish food sa mga culture and sa mga uban mga istoryahan po mga Espanyol ug dra po taga sugod dra po gakuha nato mga religion mga Katolik dira gasugod sa Spanish dayon ang mga uban pa moro thank you.
Electronic media encompasses various forms of digital communication that are created, disturbed, and accessed through electronic devices and technologies. These are the example of electronic media. Television, broadcasting visual and audio content to viewers through television set. It offers a wide range program, news, entertainment, and advertisement. Television like sa mga salida, TV Patrol, like that, muna ikuha sa television. Radio, transmitting audio content to listener to radio waves. Radio station broadcast music, news, talk show, and other program to deserve audience. Example of radio is like Radio FM na siya. Internet, providing as a vast platform of for sharing information, content, people, and accessing a wide range to content. The internet includes websites, social media platforms, online news portals, blogs, and more. Social media platform that enable users to create, share, and internet with content in real time. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Link have become essential tools for communication and network. Podcast, digital audio program available for streaming or download. Broadcast cover various topics such as interviews, storytelling, news, and educational content. Allow earners to access on-demand audio content. Online streaming service. Platform like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney that offer streaming of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and original content over the internet. Electronic media plays a crucial role in modern society by facilitating the rapid dissemination of information, entertainment, and advertising to global audience. It does transform how people communicate, consume media, and stay informed in the digital stage. That's all. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is John Mark B. Kirog. I am the last reporter of our group. My topic is all about globalization. So kani siya nga globalization is coined from globalization and localization. Is a rather new concept brought about by the increased frequency of contact among cultures. So this reinforces the fact that the local culture are not weak, static, or fixed. They are built and understood anew each day in globalized world. Local culture continues to accommodate and assimilate cultures of the world due to globalization. So kani siya nga globalization, localization, it is globalization, it is an combination of word globalization and localization. The term is to use to describe a product service that is developed and distributed globally but is also adjusted to accommodate the user or the consumer in local market. All in all, the 5 stages of development of media have greatly influenced the globalization of culture. From pamphlets to Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, media has produced and reproduced cultural products around the globe. Moreover, the increase in cultural interaction generated by media result in outcomes that exhibit the vigor of local cultures that influenced by the global culture. So, mara to sir.